It's Tuesday the 11th, and this is just a brief update with regard to the human rights abuses I'm experiencing and the unlawful actions that I've experienced since becoming a married mother in 2015. This is just for public record with regard to the illegalities that have been performed, that my marriage of 2015 is not under any circumstances negotiated with individuals that have violated my constitutional rights and my human rights. My marriage of 2015 is still legally binding, and the circumstances of the unlawful action of my child separated from my care is still a disputed action, regardless of the lack of acknowledgement and reparations surrounding the escalation of problems caused by culprits in this circumstance. So this is just an update with regard to the human rights abuses I'm experiencing. I'm still legally married. My marriage isn't subject to separation or divorce. I am experiencing very serious offences and false reporting, and the issue of protection laws being violated, proximity being violated, and my child being unlawfully kept from my best care is still a disputed action, and all false reporting. After the date I commenced procedures of wrongdoings that have occurred, any false reporting are all subject to investigation, and any inauthentic information is also subject to investigation. So the lack of legal procedures being respected and adhered to, and legal procedures not being observed in this entire situation, with damages done to my livelihood and well-being, my bodily integrity, harms to my role as a mother and property owner, and my good name being defamed, are all subject to investigation that I'm fully entitled to. And the offences of repeat offenders is a serious issue also with regard to the matter of treason. So those misrepresenting the circumstances surrounding my marriage and my marital status, and the individuals of slander of my good name, are not for the betterment of society and progress. So I hope the European Court of Human Rights is aware of the sinister nature of individuals that have disrespected matrimony, family life and privacy, and that have damaged nature, society and wildlife and property that they have no entitlement to be trespassing on during this vendetta of hate crime and human rights abuses that I'm experiencing.